Everyone, and welcome to today's podcast. I'm Mrs. Rim, and in this episode, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to write an effective article for your school magazine about saving the planet. Writing about the environment is not just a school task. It is a chance to inform, persuade, and inspire change. So, let's see how to do it properly. Step 1. Understand your purpose and audience. Before you start writing, ask yourself two important questions. Why am I writing this article and who will read it? Since this is a school magazine, your audience is mainly students and teachers. Your goal is to raise awareness, encourage responsible behavior, and show practical solutions to protect our planet. Your tone should be serious but motivating, not boring or aggressive. Step 2, write a catchy title and an engaging introduction. Your title must attract attention. For example, Small Actions, Big Impact, How Students Can Save the Planet. In the introduction, clearly present the problem. You can start with a fact, a question, or a strong statement. For example, climate change, pollution, and deforestation are threatening our future. If we do not act now, the consequences will be irreversible. End your introduction by announcing what the article will discuss. Step 3. Develop clear paragraphs with strong ideas. Each paragraph should focus on one main idea. Use linking words such as firstly, moreover, as a result, and finally to organize your article. Here are effective ways to protect the environment you can include. Reduce waste by recycling paper, plastic, and glass, and by avoiding single-use products. Save energy by turning off lights, unplugging devices, and using energy-efficient bulbs. Protect nature by planting trees, preserving green spaces, and respecting wildlife. Reduce pollution by walking, cycling, or using public transport instead of cars. Raise awareness by joining environmental clubs, organizing cleanup campaigns, and sharing information on social media. Support your ideas with examples or explanations to make them more convincing. Step 4. Use persuasive and responsible language. Since your article aims to change behavior, use modal verbs like must, should, and can. For example, we must take responsibility for our actions. Students can play a key role in protecting the environment. Avoid informal language and make sure your grammar and vocabulary are accurate. Step 5. Write a strong conclusion. In the conclusion, summarize the main points and finish with a call to action. Encourage readers to act immediately, even in small ways. For example, saving the planet starts with simple actions. If each of us makes an effort, together we can build a cleaner, healthier future. Final advice. Before submitting your article, reread it carefully, check spelling and grammar, and make sure your ideas are clear and well organized. Remember, a good article doesn't just inform, it inspires. Now here is a sample article. Small actions, big impact, how we can save the planet. Climate change and pollution are serious threats to our planet. If we do not act now, the future will be at risk. However, everyone can help protect the environment through simple and responsible actions. First, reducing waste is essential. We should recycle paper, plastic, and glass and avoid single-use products such as plastic bags and bottles. Using reusable items helps limit pollution and protects nature. Second, saving energy makes a real difference. Turning off lights, unplugging devices, and using energy-efficient bulbs reduce pollution and slow down global warming. Another important step is protecting nature. Planting trees, respecting wildlife, and keeping public places clean help preserve the environment and maintain ecological balance. Moreover, reducing pollution is necessary. Walking, cycling, or using public transport instead of cars lowers air pollution and improves our health. Finally, raising awareness encourages positive change. By joining environmental clubs, organizing cleanup campaigns, and sharing information, students can inspire others to act. In conclusion, saving the planet starts with small daily actions. If everyone takes responsibility, we can create a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future. Thank you for listening. This was Mrs. Rim, and I hope this podcast helps you write an impactful article that truly makes a difference for our planet. See you in the next episode.